You're probably watching this video because you're considering becoming a coffee roaster. So is coffee roasting profitable? How much does it cost to start a coffee business? What skills do I need to become a coffee roaster? We're going to talk about that and more in this episode of the Coffee Roasting University. With the examples we've given you, that's only the very basics. That's only the beginning ideas. If that discourages you right off the bat, I think it's time to walk away. You can do it as a hobby and have a good time with it and talk about it with your friends. But if you're serious about it, you're going to have to find the right schools. You're going to have to find the right education to support you to begin with. You're going to have to find the money. You're going to have to figure out where this money's coming from. You're going to have to be willing to learn. You're going to have to be willing to go out and knock on some doors. And you're going to have to do your very best at everything you do. Just having a simple conversation. I have to be able to come up to you face to face and talk and tell you my business. And you know the old elevator speech, well, sometimes you get less than that. Sometimes you get 30 seconds and that's all the time you have left. You better be able to tell them your business and what you do in 30 seconds. And that's the only way it's going to work properly. Okay, if this is something you're seriously considering, make sure to keep watching our channel because we're going to keep giving you more information as we go along, and we want to help you grow in your business as well as ours. There's other forms of information. You can go out, you can look online, you can join different organizations. You can also, there's some great teachers out there of the coffee industry. And don't always think the very best is the best, because everybody has their own decision and own idea on what they want to do to grow that business. Some people can be great coffee roasters, but they can't be good business people. This is something you have to consider, all this. So if you might have to hire people. Hey, you can check us out here, like I said, at Cherry Blend Coffee Roasters. We're happy to help you. And just make sure that you are doing what you need to do properly to get moved forward, because we want you to do the very best and succeed in what you do. We like to succeed, we want you to succeed. So if you like this video, then subscribe to our channel at Coffee Roasters University.